Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a new type of series called Tactical Tips. These are going to be small details to help really bring your models to life. Today we'll be doing bloody bandages. We're going to start off here with AK 3rd Generation Deck Tan. This is a little bit of a whiter tan. It'll help really push that antiseptic property of the bandages. With our base coat established, it's time to add a little bit of depth. We're going to use some Secret Sauce Brown Wash. Recipe down below. With the wash dry, we're just going to add a quick little highlight to the bandages. We're going to go back to that original colored deck tan and just hit the top edges where the light would hit. And with the bandages done, it's time to get to the fun part. Here we're going to take a little bit of Army Painter Speed Paint Slaughter Red and just box in the outline of that area of blood that we want. Now take that little bit of Speed Paint Slaughter Red that you already have in your palette, add a tiny little bit of black to that, and then box in the area of red that we've already established. Then take your black of choice, and we're going to just apply that sparingly in little areas to the darkest parts of the coagulated blood. And now we're going to take a clean brush with just a tiny bit of water and rub that around the edges of the speed paint to help reactivate it ever so slightly. What this does is it actually helps to recreate the serum leaking from the wounds into the bandages. And if you've ever looked at actual bandages, you'll see this tiny area of pink redness around the wound spot. And with that, the bandages are done. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Help me grow that channel. Thanks, and see you next time.